EOS CNC VL1250 Vertical Lathe Milling Complex Machining Center. It is the pinnacle of industrial aesthetics. It is the core engine of the future. Equipped with the advanced Japanese FANUC CNC system, with ultra-high precision control at the core, it accurately meets the processing needs of high-end parts. The intelligent movement of the beam and the sliding block, achieving high rigidity cutting of workpieces, high-pressure center water outlet directly to the tip, and strong flushing cutting, increasing the tool life by 30%. It is equipped with an ATC multi-station automatic to realize one-time processing and forming of complex parts. The automatic tool setter and CNC system work together, quickly achieve workpiece measurement and tool compensation, ensuring the consistency of complex curved surface machining, automatic chip removal system, and efficient iron chips recycling. This machine has functions of turning, drilling, grinding, and other functions. It can realize one-time processing of complex parts. Huadin CNC, your